So today I have a leaf and clay unboxing video. I had shared on my community post on YouTube that leaf and clay was having a 20% off, so I went ahead and took advantage of that, and I got some pretty nice. So let's see what they look like. Here they are. I like how they individually wrap them very nicely. Let me move my box over here. And then let me zoom in for you guys. Oh, this is a spiky one. Ooh, right there. Yep. It is a beauty. So these came without a container. But look at how pretty that is. So pretty. Look at how cute that is. She's so pretty. Very nice. Nice roots. I'm zoomed in two in. There we go. See those nice roots? Very nice. Okay, next. I got this cactus because it was blue, and I really like blue cactuses. Spiky little one. And it's cute and round. Look at how cute is that. So pretty. Love the colors. Love how it has these ridges. I love the color. It's such a pretty cactus. Can't wait to pot these up and put them up there with my cactus collection. Very nice. So here are the plants all potted up. So cute. I'm glad many of you were able to find the rock. Doesn't it like give it such a nice look? So cute. Love that bloom. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.